Your coding agent grabs around your repo like it has never seen it before. Graphify hands it a map instead. Point it at a folder, and it reads your whole project into a graph you can query. It plugs into Cloud Code, Cursor, and Codex, and the newest build landed today. That Tango is one code base. Every class, function, and import is a node clustered into the parts that actually belong together. And you get 3 files back: an interactive graph you click around in, a written report of what it found, and the whole graph as data you can query later. So you stop grepping for how two things connect and just ask for the path. Fast API to model field, it walks you there, hop by hop, straight through the graph. 3 hops, 0 files open. That is the whole idea. And this part is clever. It installs as a skill file for your assistant, so it reads like one more markdown drop. But those skill files sit right next to a real engine. 80 Python modules and 150 test files. The repo even commits the graph it built for a real codebase. Almost 1900 nodes, clickable. And every connection tells you how much to trust it. Ask it to explain a node and each edge comes back tagged. Extracted means it found it in your source. Inferred means it was worked out by a model. And the inferred ones carry a score from near certain down to speculative. Here's why the code half of that graph is free. A parser builds it, not a model. TreeSitter walks your source on your machine, pulling out classes, functions, imports, and calls. The model pass only ever touches docs, papers, and images. So a project that is only code skips that pass entirely and never needs an API key. No embeddings, no vector database. And here's what shipped today. Its polite nudge to check the graph first was something agents walk straight past mid-task. So strict mode now blocks the agent's first raw file read of a session and redirects it to the graph, then steps back. It fires once per session. It is opt-in and it is called code only, so it can never leave your agent stuck. Getting it is 2 commands. Install the CLI with UV, then run graphify install to register it with your assistant. Then in your assistant, type /graphify dot. One thing to get right, the package is graphify with 2 Y's on the end. It is on screen. So if your agent burns its first minute rediscovering your repo every session, this is the map it could be reading instead. The link is on screen. New repo tomorrow.